Would you like to learn how to hit a shot that's going to make it easier to get to the kitchen, and you might just be able to defeat a couple more bangers? Today, our favorite US Open champion is going to show us how to do just that. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson, and I am here with four-time, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, four-time US Open champion, Laura Fenton Kovanda. Laura, welcome back to Tahoe.
Oh, you know, one of my absolute favorite places to be.
Well, and it's my favorite place to have her because today she's going to teach us how to hit the reset shot from the transition zone in the court. So Laura, there might be some people here who aren't familiar with what a reset shot is or why we want to hit it. So let's start there.
Why would we want to reset a ball? Resetting a ball means that we want that ball to go back into the kitchen. Okay? So resetting it, if we put the ball into the kitchen, allows us to move forward to the kitchen line. So a lot of times we get caught in the middle of the court, which is part of the game, but if we drive a ball, that ball's coming back at us even faster. And I don't know about you, but most of us over 50 aren't as quick as we used to be. So if I drive the ball's coming back faster, I don't have as much reaction time. So if I reset that ball into the kitchen, it allows me to move forward and get into that point.
Speaking of being over 50, now I know neither of us looks like we're over 50, but we are. And if you want to be in the know and get all the latest information for the over 50 pickleball player, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then the bell notification. That way you'll know whenever I post a new video.
So now that we know why we want to reset a ball into the kitchen, how do we actually do that? Okay? One of the biggest things that I see in players, and a ball is at their feet or even up here at their body, is that the paddle is parallel with the net. If I swing at that ball going straight across the net, it's coming back at me fast. Instead, we want to open up this paddle face so the trajectory of the ball automatically goes up off the paddle. Same thing in my body. If my paddle is parallel, it's not going to go up. I need to open that paddle face so the flight of the ball automatically goes upward to go back down into the kitchen. How many times do you get a ball coming through the air at a slow speed and it's so juicy, you just want to rip the heck out of it, okay? But what are we gaining? If I rip that ball's coming right back at my feet and I'm in the middle of the court, I don't have very much time to react to that. So instead, I still want to open this paddle, even if the ball is up here, so the ball goes up to go down into the kitchen, and now I can move forward while that ball is traveling through the air.
So Laura, how often should we practice this shot to get better at it?
Well, like anything, I mean, CJ, the more you practice anything, the better you get. To me, honestly, this is probably one of the most important shots in the game, because we have to play the game from the transition area, and if we can't put a ball into the kitchen, you're gonna have a really hard time winning points. So technically, like before a tournament, I will practice it at least 2 or 3 days with a partner, hitting balls at my feet, at my body, until I feel comfortable that I have consistently returned that ball into the kitchen. I'm like, okay, I'm good to go. I've got it, my motor memory's got it. I don't have to think anymore about it. It just happens.
So if you got value from this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.